Hi guys, what's up, It's your girl Charla from That Girl Cooks Healthy. Today I'm going to show you how to make some passion fruit juice. Trust me, this one is giving pure tropical vibes. You only need 3 ingredients. You need some fresh passion fruit, coconut nectar and some water. This one is clean, naturally sweet and so refreshing, healthy, and I cannot wait to show you how to make it. So let's get to it. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need some fresh passion fruit. I'm using the purple variation, but I know that the yellow version exists. You can use any of them. It doesn't really matter. You could also need some water. I'm using some filtered water. And you also need a sweetener, or should I say it's optional. You don't actually need it, but depending on how tart the passion fruit juice is, you might want to add a sweetener. So I'm actually using coconut nectar, and I actually got this from Thailand. It's a low glycemic index sweetener. It's same as or very similar to coconut sugar, but a liquid version. It's made from the coconut sap, and this is also a great alternative to honey as well, and it's not overly sweet, which is another reason why I like to include this when I'm making passion fruit juice. So the first thing I'm going to do is to slice the passion fruit in half. So I'm using a paring knife, and I'm also doing this on a chopping board. I'm only going to do a few on camera just so you can see what it looks like in the inside. It's very easy to slice them in half, by the way. It's not really difficult. Thankfully the skin is not tough, so it's really easy to slice. So we're just going to slice them, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like next. So this is what the passion fruit looks like on the inside once we have sliced them in half. So now that we've sliced our passion fruit in half, it's time to scoop out the pulp. So you just need to grab a bowl and also a spoon and scoop out the pulp. It's really easy to scoop it out. It's not too complicated. This is one thing I love about making passion fruit juice. It's really simple to make. It's not overcomplicated or difficult, and all it takes is just scooping it out with a spoon, and then I will show you what the pulp looks like once I've put all of it into the bowl. So this is what the passion fruit pulp looks like now, and it's ready to be used to make our passion fruit juice. So now what we're going to do is to transfer that passion fruit pulp into a blender along with the water. So all you need to do now is to put the lid on the blender, and you just want to pulse the mixture a few times. You definitely don't want to pulverize the seeds. Just a few pulses is just fine. So now that we've made the juice, we just need to strain off the juice. So I have a jug, or some people call it a pitcher, along with a sieve. I have a really fine mesh sieve, and I'm just going to pour the juice into the jug. And then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to get a spoon just to press down on the seeds, because you want to get as much of that juice as possible into the jug. So by using the spoon and the sieve, this is going to help with the separation process. And you're also going to notice that the juice is a bit frothy afterwards, but we're going to get rid of that before we actually serve the juice. So I personally don't like to have too much froth or foam in my juice. So what I do is I like to skim that off. This is perfectly optional. Some people will just stir it in, but me, I don't really like to have it, so I like to just skim this off. So this is the optional step if you want to skim it off, or you can just stir it and just leave it to either just go away on its own, or just skim it off like I'm doing here. So the only thing we need to do now is to sweeten juice, I'm using the coconut nectar. Like I said, this is a low glycemic index sweetener, and I don't use a lot. I only use a small amount because I actually like a more tart taste of my passion fruit juice. So this is the time where you can just add your sweetener if you want to, and I do recommend if you're going to use a sweetener, use a liquid one and not a granulated one. Guys, that is how you make some fresh, pure, beautiful passion fruit juice using 3 ingredients. Really simple to make, really, really delicious. Gives you that nice tropical vibe to it as well. I absolutely love this stuff, and I hope you do too. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will catch you on the other side.